friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Christmas stitch, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started in the center with the nose. We're going to draw an arch line, bring that down. Let's close this off underneath. So on the left hand side, we're going to curve that around in the opposite direction, connecting that back together. Let's draw on the nostrils, stepping over from the center. We're going to curve this line up and through. Let's add in a small detailed line up above, drawing in a curved line from left to right. Let's focus on the head now. So coming up on a diagonal, we're going to round this out, curving this over, bringing that down on the side. Then we're going to step across on the right hand side, replicating that, ending that at roughly the same height. Let's close this off on the top now with a curved line from left to right. And then on the bottom from that corner, curving this around and back up. Now let's draw in the eyes. So coming across, leaving a gap from the nose for the pupil, we're going to curve this line around, connecting that back in at the point in the middle. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now on the top of the eye, we're going to draw in an oval on a diagonal for that highlight. And then we're just going to color in our pupil black. Now from the side here on the top, we're going to round this out, curving this over and through beside the nose. And now from that corner, just curving this back around and up on the side. Let's draw on our mouth now. So we're going to draw in a small straight line directly in the middle of the nose. We're going to come underneath the eye, drawing in a corner bracket on the left and right hand side. Let's connect the mouth now. So we're going to curve this up, down, and in towards that corner. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. Bringing that across. Underneath, in the middle, drawing in a curved line from left to right. And now stepping over, we're just going to curve this line down towards the bottom. Let's close off the headband now for the reindeer ears. So on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this all the way across and then down on the right. Let's draw on the reindeer ears here. So we're going to curve this around and then back in. From the top, we're just going to curve this line around and then down towards the middle. Let's draw on the antlers now. So we're going to, on the inside, draw a small diagonal line coming up. On the side here, we're going to curve this around and in. Let's curve this up. So we're going to round that corner out, bringing this up and then back down. And then again, one more time, curving this up and bringing this around and in towards the middle. And then now just drawing in a small diagonal line through towards the top. Now let's draw in Stitch's ears. So we're going to start on the side, curving this around, up and over towards this middle. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right. So we're just going to line that up at the same height and replicate that. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line down. We're going to draw in a sideways letter V for the cutout. And then from here, we're just going to curve this all the way around and in on the side. Let's flip across on the right. So on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this around and in. Again, drawing in another sideways letter V. And then continuing to scoop that over and through towards the side. Let's move over. On the left-hand side, curving this out. We will do the same thing on the right. And then on the bottom, just stepping up, curving that over. Let's draw on the collar now on Stitch's Christmas sweater. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this around, bringing that through on the right. Stepping over from the middle on the left and right-hand side, we're just going to curve this line up towards the top. Moving over again, let's replicate that, leaving an even amount of space. Now let's come through. On the left-hand side, closing off the torso, we're going to curve this line out and down. We'll do the same thing on the right, lining that up at the same height. And now let's close that off on the bottom with a curved line from left to right. Let's move up. We're going to create the strip here, so we're just going to curve this line over. From the middle, coming over on the left and right-hand side, we're going to draw in a straight line coming up. Let's move over again, closing that off. And then again, one more time. Let's draw in his arms now. So on the top, we're going to curve this line over and across. And then moving underneath, we're going to round that out, curving that in, ending that at the same distance there. Now from the top here, we're going to round that out, curving that down. And then let's step in for the wrist, curving that back up towards the top. Now on the wrist, we're just going to curve these lines across like we did in the collar, leaving an even amount of space. We'll step over on the left-hand side, replicating that. Now for the hand, from that corner, we're going to curve this line around and then in for the thumb in the mitten. And then again, from that corner, we're just going to curve this back around and through on the side. Let's close off the bottom of the body. So coming down in the center, curved line coming across. For the legs here, we're going to bring this line out, around, back in towards the middle. On the inside, from the middle, we're going to curve this line over on the left and right hand side. Now from here, we're going to curve this over and up. Let's curve this around again on the side. And then one last time, we're just going to curve this over and through towards the top. And now we're just going to draw in 3 curved lines in each of those open spaces. And that is it. That's how you draw Stitch in his Christmas sweater. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.